So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and I have created an AI agent which is customly trained for my business. And first I am going to show you the proper working of this. So let's say I am going to type hey on WhatsApp and I am going to send this hey. And once I am going to send this hey within seconds and in real time, as you can see, the AI assistant has replied me. It is saying, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's ask a question. So I'm going to type my question and I am going to send this question. And as you can see, I asked, I want a custom trip to Europe for 2 weeks. Can you help? And now it is going to make a custom trip for me for Europe for 2 weeks. You're going to see all the details. And further, let's say I want to book this trip. So I'm going to ask another question. I am going to type my question and I am going to send this question. So I asked, how do I confirm the booking? And yes, once again within seconds, the AI assistant is going to solve my this query too. And you're going to see now it is giving me the step to confirm the booking. And while I follow these steps, I can confirm my booking. So let's ask another question. So I'm going to type another question and I am going to send it. And once I send this, it is saying, can I modify my booking later if the plans change? And the AI assistant is going to solve this query too. As you can see, it has successfully solved this query too. So yes, you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows so much about my business. So I have trained this AI assistant unique to my business. And if you also want to create this custom AI assistant for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So I showed you how this bot is going to work, but now I'm going to show you how you can create this for your business. So to create this, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And after opening this landing page, you're going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, go on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But I am an existing user, so I'm going to go on this sign in. Now it is going to open all Pabbly apps, so you have to go towards this Pabbly Chatflow and click on access now. And once we click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And in order to create an AI bot, you have to add a WhatsApp number. And to add this WhatsApp number, you have two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. Don't worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see that I have already added this WhatsApp number, so I'm directly going to create this AI chatbot. For that, I'm going to go towards this left hand of the side towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about any another feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these features has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Now we have to click on this add AI assistant and we have to name this assistant. I am going to name this assistant as AI chatbot and click on this button which says add AI assistant. Now it is going to open a window something like this. So we have to select the instruction type. So if you select the instruction type as custom prompt, over here you have to give the custom instructions. But if you want, we have some pre-built examples too, like the AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can select any one from this also. So I'm going to select it as AI agent and the instructions will be added automatically. But further, if I want to edit, delete or add some instructions, I can do that. But over here in the custom prompt, you have to give all the instructions by your own self. So you can go for some pre-built example from here in this instruction types and then you can edit these instructions. Then it is asking for the temperature, so you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. If you wish, you can make it creative by moving the temperature towards 1. The next is this select AI to use. So I'm going to select OpenAI and for the model, I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. And now to get this API key, you have to follow this text. It is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page. So let's open our OpenAI API key page and after this, we have to go towards this create new secret key, enter the name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Over here is the key key, so we have to copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. And yes, you can see OpenAI key saved successfully. So we have successfully did this. Now let's move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So you can have multiple settings. This is header and a footer message. So if you wish, you can definitely add a header or a footer message. You have to switch on this toggle button and enter your header and a footer message. Maximum characters are up to 60. So it depends upon you how you want the message to be. I'm not going to add any header or a footer message, so I'm going to switch it off. The next is this stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that user can type in order to stop the AI assistant, and to add these keywords you have to type the keywords and then press enter. So it is really important that you type the keyword like this and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. And once user is going to send this keyword, this AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat of that user towards AI assistant back again. Alright, so now if you wish, you can definitely add this stop keywords. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. So let's say user asks some question and the AI assistant fails to respond. So you can add retry attempts like 3 or 4, and after those attempts are over, automatically the chat will be moved towards the manual review section, which is the intervened section. The next is this fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add the email address of your support over here in this message. So if a user has some emergency, they can contact you on support if you are not responding on WhatsApp or the assistant API key is not working on WhatsApp. So as you can see, you can simply add a support email address in this fallback message. With this we have completed this AI instructions, and now let's go towards this knowledge source. So as I've already mentioned that this AI chatbot will be custom for your business. It is going to reply to the user on the custom data you add. So what you can do is you can add a knowledge source in this AI chatbot. You have to open a Google Doc, write down the knowledge unique to your business, which is going to be useful in order for the AI assistant to reply, like who we are, the travel packages. So I am creating this for a travel agency, so I have mentioned this travel packages, booking process and the rest of the details. And also it is really important that you add the FAQs. So yes, you can add all of these details according to your own business needs in a Google Doc. After adding these details, you have to go towards this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. I'll suggest you go for TXT, so download this in TXT format. And as you can see that I've downloaded it, what you have to do is you have to go back, choose a file, and then you have to upload this same. As you can see that I have uploaded this same. So I'll suggest you go for TXT format only, because for PDF we don't have any limit for text PDF. But if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you if you wish to add the PDF or TXT format file. As you can see that I have successfully uploaded this knowledge base, and now this AI assistant is only going to reply using this knowledge base. Alright, so let's move in further. The next is this AI interface, so where you can give a heading name. So let's say I'm going to keep my brand name as the heading name. So this is the name of my brand. So let's say I'm going to keep this as the heading name, and it will be changed over here too. Same goes for the subheading. The next is this initial message, so you can type the initial message, press enter, and the initial message will be added over here too. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this, keep it as enabled, or if you want that this should disappear, keep it as disable, and it is going to be disappeared. I'm going to keep it as enable over here. The next is this footer text. So over here you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Same goes for the footer link. If you want, with the help of the footer text and footer link, you can add the disclaimer. The next is this user's first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. You can definitely change it. And the next which we have is this styling. So you can style this bot. What you can do is you can change the theme, you can change the assistant's shape, you can change the text color. Further, you're going to see that you can change many another details too. And also if you wish, you can definitely change the images. It totally depends upon you. Alright, after styling this, you have successfully completed this AI chatbot which is custom to your business. And in order to activate this, you have to switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. Now with this, we have created this AI assistant, or you can say AI chatbot, custom with the data. But how we can use it for our business? So you have to go to this embedded, you're going to get the script, you can attach this script on your website. And then further what is going to happen is that whenever any user is going to see this AI agent on your website, they are going to click on this start chat. And once they click on this start chat, they will be redirected on WhatsApp, and this initial message will be sent from them. And when they send this initial message, automatically your AI assistant is going to reply them. So you can use this. Otherwise, if you wish to assign the AI assistant to your existing contact, what you have to do is you have to go towards this left hand of the side towards this inbox section, and then you have to open the contact you want to assign this AI assistant to. So let's say I'm going to assign this AI assistant to this contact. I'm going to go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this chatbot and click on this save. And automatically now whenever this user is going to message me, this AI assistant is going to reply. And further, if you don't wish to assign this AI assistant single-handedly to all the customers or the contacts, what you can do is you can go towards this settings and then towards inbox settings and assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once. You have to just scroll down and enable this AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all of these contacts in this list. And if you wish to create a new contact, go towards this contact section, and from here you can create a new contact list. If you wish to learn more about this contact section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated to it same has been attached in the description box below. After selecting the list and the AI assistant, you have to click on this save, and this settings is saved. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant. But now let's test this. Is it running in real time or not? So let's open our WhatsApp, and let's say I'm going to type hey, and I'm going to send this hey. And once I send this hey, automatically, like I showed you in the starting of this video, the AI assistant is replying, hello, what's on your mind today? So let's say I'm going to ask about the Bali tour package. So I'm going to type over here, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and type, I am planning for a trip to Bali. Do I need a visa? And I'm going to send this message to inquire about this. And once I send this message, like I showed you in the starting of this video, within seconds it is replying me, yes, you will need a visa for your Bali trip. So let's ask another question. Can I pay for the package in installments? And once I send this message, automatically the AI assistant is going to reply me and solve my query. And as you can see, it is replying me. Further, let's say I'm going to ask something from this FAQ section. I'm going to ask this question, is travel insurance mandatory? And I'm going to send this, and you're going to see that within seconds this AI assistant is going to solve my this query too, and it will be so accurate according to the data which we have entered. Travel insurance is not mandatory. So as you can see over here, we have mentioned that it is not mandatory, but it is highly recommended. And over here we have also mentioned the countries for which it is recommended. So for Bali, it is saying it is not mandatory. So you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is using my custom data and replying me. And with this we have successfully completed this AI chatbot which uses my custom data in order to reply to the customers. So now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or this chatbot, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.